with weekly trading ideas for the week starting today, the 5th of October 2020. If you would like to receive those videos, make sure to subscribe using the icon at the bottom of your screen. And before I go into the trading ideas, I'll announce the winner of the contest for the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. Right now on your screen you should see the name of the winner who won the indicator. So congratulations for winning the profile, and I'll do another contest for the next week. What you need to do to participate in the contest is just leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on YouTube. And the next week, in the next video, I'll randomly pick one winner to win my flexible volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. Alright, so that's for the contest, and let's now go into the trading ideas. What you see before you, those three screens. This one is a 60-minute chart with volume profile which gets printed every week. This chart right there is a 30-minute chart, and in here I use flexible volume profile which you can move around like this. And the chart at the bottom right is a 15-minute chart where I use volume profiles which get automatically printed every 4 hours. Alright, so that's my intraday trading layout, and those three charts are linked, so they always show the same trading instrument. In this case it's the Euro British Pound, and this is where I have the first trading idea which I would like to show you. It's based on the volume accumulation setup. It's based on heavy volumes which got created in this rotation. And you can see that the point of control, the heaviest volumes inside this rotation were created in here, were traded in here at 0.9112. And from that place, from the point of control of this rotation, strong sell-off started. That was on Friday. So strong sellers entered the market, I believe in here, those were their volumes, and then they initiated strong selling activity in here. So what I expect is that when the price makes it back to this level at some point in the future, I believe that those sellers will become active again. They'll start defending their short positions which they placed in here, and they'll try and push the price downwards from there again. Now what I also like about this level is that it's very nicely visible on the weekly volume profile. It is in here, those massive volumes, and also previous week's deviation, first deviation, ended in here, which is just a little bit above the level. As you can see, the gray line continues printing. It will continue like this, and it's pretty close to the short level, so it could also help in the reaction, which I think will occur around 91.12. Alright, so that's for the first trading idea. Let's now go and have a look at another one, which is on the Swiss franc Japanese yen. So in here on the Swiss franc Japanese yen, what I have is a strong support, which is at 114.5, and this one is based on a trend setup. As the price was getting upwards in this uptrend, there was a significant volume cluster created in here, those massive volumes with local point of control in here at 114.50, and this is where I think buyers were adding to their long positions, and afterwards when they opened with an open drive, strong aggressive buying activity in here, they pushed the price upwards, those buyers. So when the price makes it back in here, I think that those buyers will try and push the price upwards again, defend their longs, and become aggressive again from this place. Alright, we have the trend setup here, we have the open drive from this place, market opened and started pushing price upwards, and what we also have in here is a point of control from the previous week. Let's have a look at this profile. Alright, this is weekly volume profile for the previous week. This is the previous week, and the heaviest volumes throughout the whole previous week got traded in here at this level, which is very nice confluence to the trend setup, alright? The weekly point of control from which the price went into strong buying activities, into strong uptrend. So those are the reasons for the strong support, why I think there is a strong support at 114.50 on the Swiss franc Japanese yen. Now another trading idea is on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, so let's have a look at it. So this is the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and what I have in here is a strong support, and it is at 0.6588. Let me show you the reasoning behind this support. It's very nicely visible on the weekly profile. It's this volume cluster right there, and also you can use the flexible profile over this area, over this whole rotation area, and you'll see that support as well. Now, as you can see, there is an uptrend, and as the buyers were adding to the long positions in here in this rotation, you can see those volumes in here. They placed those volumes in this area, and then they pushed the price upwards from there again. So when there is a pullback at some point in the future, I believe that those buyers will defend the long positions which they placed in here, and they'll try and push the price upwards from there again. Now there's also one cool thing about that, a nice confluence. It is in here. If you look at how nicely the price reacted to this level in the past, so it worked as a resistance, and then the price went past it, past the resistance, which got broken, and now the resistance turned into a support, which is pure price action setup, which very nicely confirms the trend setup we have in here, those volumes. All right, now you will need to use a wider stop loss for this trade, a little bit wider stop loss. I would suggest using 18 pip stop loss, which would be in here. This is 18 pip stop loss, and if you would like to trade with a tighter stop loss, then you can look at this area like this and place the long trade at 65.80. But I think the higher level, the 65.88, is way better because those volumes are way heavier, and even from the weekly point of view, the level is way stronger. Not only because of the volumes, but also because of this reaction to this level. Alright, so that's why I think trading from 65.88 is a better idea than trading from 65.80. Alright, now let's have a look at the last trading idea, which is on New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. So this is the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. And what I wanted to show you in here is a volume accumulation setup and strong support, which is at 87.67. This support is based on those massive volumes which got created in this rotation from which strong buying activity started, strong uptrend. And because of the uptrend, I think that those volumes in this area were volumes of strong buyers who are building up the long positions in here, and afterwards they started aggressive buying to push the price upwards. Now, when the price makes it back to this area again, I believe that those buyers will become active again, and they'll try and defend this support and push the price upwards from there again. Now, this level is also very strong from the weekly point of view. Now, there was a break of a week in here, and that's why it's not that visible if you look at this profile and this profile. But if you merge them like this and make it one big volume profile for 2 weeks, you can see that there were massive volumes created at this level in this rotation area from which the strong buying activity started. Alright, so this level is also very strong from the weekly point of view, and that's why I think that when there's the pullback, it's likely that there's going to be a nice reaction to it. Now, if you guys would like to learn more about trading with the volume profile, then visit my website, which is trader-dale.com, and go into trading course and tools in here. And what I recommend getting is the Elite pack, which is a training pack to teach you how to trade with the volume profile, price action and VWAP. And the content of the Elite pack is a volume profile video course, which is 15-hour long video course on training with volume profile, price action and VWAP. You will also get Dale's trading levels, which is my personal trading levels, which you will get every day. Those are daily trading levels for intraday trading. And you will also get swing trading levels for 15 trading instruments. Those are as well my personal swing levels, which I personally trade. Now what you'll also get is a volume profile pack, which is a pack of volume profile indicators which I developed for NinjaTrader 8 and for MetaTrader 4. And as a bonus, you'll get a free VWAP indicator, which normally costs $149. But you'll get that for free with the Elite pack. And another bonus is a volume profile, the Insider's Guide to Trading. That's a book which I wrote about trading with the volume profile. Now, as a special bonus to all this, as you can see on this banner at the bottom, is a free tech support for Elite pack members. So you'll get that with the Elite pack. And what this means is that our tech support will set up NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all the indicators which you bought. They also set up a workspace for you, the same workspace I use for my personal trading, and they'll also set up a data feed for you, so you don't need to worry about connecting your NinjaTrader to data. And all that for free as a free service, which you'll get with the Elite pack. Alright, so anyways, that's about it. That's about today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you found it useful. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, and until then, happy trading.